20 minutes. Most people don't even call that a workout. They call it a warm-up. And yeah, I get it. We're used to thinking more time equals better results. So, is 20 minutes really enough? Most people would say no, but today, I'll show you why just 20 minutes a day can actually make a difference, and how it can build more than muscle. Alright, let me break this down for you. In this video, you're getting everything in one place. How to turn 20 minutes into real progress, what science and real-world training experience say about it, and a full 20-minute workout plan, no equipment needed. Yeah, short training works, but only if it's structured the right way. If you just jump in and start doing random reps, you'll waste time, burn out, or worse, get injured. But if you follow a few key principles, 20 minutes can be insanely effective. And science backs this up. Studies from institutions like Harvard and the American College of Sports Medicine have shown that short, high-effort bodyweight sessions just 3 to 4 times a week can improve strength, cardiovascular health, and even reduce anxiety and depression. Start with basic warm-up, not a full stretch session. Warm-ups don't need to be long, but they should prep the muscles you're about to use. Light mobility drills, dynamic movements, or even easier versions of the main exercises wake up your nervous system and reduce injury risk. ACSM recommends 5 minutes of dynamic warm-up, even for short sessions, just enough to get blood flowing and joints ready. Focus on compound movements. You need exercises that hit multiple muscle groups at once: push, pull, legs, core. Studies show compound movements deliver better hormonal response and more bang for your time, especially in short workouts. Manage your rest. Since we have only 20 minutes, you don't have time to scroll Instagram. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Rest 1 to 2 minutes between muscle groups. This keeps your pace strong without crushing your form or turning the workout into cardio. Control your tempo. You don't need to move faster, you need to move better. Slow down your reps. Use control. Keep your muscles under tension. Research shows time under tension is a major key for hypertrophy and joint stability, even without weights. Alright, now that you've got the why and the how, let's build something real. Do warm up 3 to 5 minutes. You already know why this matters. It's a pretty important part. Don't skip it. On the screen, you can see example warm-up flow. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Hip openers or deep lunges, 1 minute. Jumping jacks or high knees, 1 minute. Wrist rolls plus scapula push-ups, 1 minute. And some light movement prep like incline push-ups or air squats. 1 minute, 15 minutes. Exercises without equipment. Let's walk through it. We have 4 movements, 3 rounds each, 30 to 45 seconds rest in between. No gear needed, maybe. Just a towel and a chair. Each movement has 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. If 15 clean reps feel too easy, jump to the next level. Alright, let's start. Push-ups. Beginners start with incline push-ups on a chair in clean form, full range. If incline easy for you, then drop to the floor for standard push-ups. Do 10 to 15 reps chest to ground. Advanced, elevate your feet or slow it down with tempo reps. Let's hit the legs. 2 levels here. Level 1, body weight tight squats, followed by reverse lunges. 15 to 20 squats, then 10 lunges per leg. Keep your chest up. Move with control. Level 2, pistol squats to a chair. Slow and controlled, 6 to 8 per leg. Then Bulgarian split squats using a couch or steps, 8 to 12 per leg. This combo hits balance, power, and real-world strength. Now for pull. Yeah, you can train this without a pull-up bar. Level 1. Grab a towel, loop it around a door handle. Lean back slightly and pull. Elbows tight, slow and controlled. Do 10 to 12 reps. Focus on squeezing your back. Level 2. Step your feet closer to the door. Create a stronger lean. Then add a hold at the top. 2 seconds of full squeeze, every rep. Last up, core. Simple moves but amazing impact. Level 1. Start with a plank. Hands on a chair or wall. 30 seconds. Focus on tight glutes, braced core, and steady breathing. Level 2. Now hit the floor. 30 seconds of flutter kicks. Legs straight, core tight. Then drop into a hollow body. Hold for another 15 to 30 seconds. DS. If it starts shaking, good. Hey, guess what you just did? You did more than 90% of people ever will. Doesn't sound that hard, right? Just 20 minutes. Try this 3 or 4 times a week for a couple weeks, and you'll feel it. Not just in your body, but in your mindset. I promise you won't regret starting. If you're ready to commit, drop "I'm starting now" in the comments, or just say something that locks it in for you. Sometimes the shift doesn't start in your body. It starts the moment you decide out loud. Music, 20 minutes. For most people, that doesn't even sound like a workout. They call it a warm-up, a quick sweat, something you do before the real training begins. And honestly, that way of thinking makes sense. We've been taught that more time automatically means better results. 1 hour in the gym feels serious, 2 hours feels dedicated. But 20 minutes? Most people would say that's not enough to change anything. So let me ask you this, does progress really come from the clock? Or does it come from how you use the time you have? Because today, I want to show you why just 20 minutes a day can genuinely make a difference. Not only in how your body looks and feels, but in how you think, how consistent you become, and how confident you feel about showing up for yourself. This isn't just about building muscle, it's about building habits, discipline, and momentum. In this video, everything is in one place. No confusion, no fluff. You'll learn how to turn 20 minutes into real progress. What science and real-world training experience actually say about short workouts, and how to follow a complete 20-minute workout plan that requires no equipment at all. Short workouts work, but only when they're done the right way. If you just jump in, rush through random exercises, and hope for the best, you'll waste time, burn out, or even get injured. But when a short session is structured properly, it can be incredibly effective. And this isn't just motivational talk. Research supports it. Studies from institutions like Harvard and the American College of Sports Medicine have shown that short, high-effort bodyweight workouts done just 3 to 4 times a week can improve strength, cardiovascular health, and overall endurance. They've also been linked to reduced stress, lower anxiety, and fewer symptoms of depression. In other words, you're not just training your body, you're training your mind and nervous system too. The first thing that matters is how you prepare your body. A warm-up doesn't need to be long or complicated, but it does need to be intentional. You're not stretching for half an hour. You're waking up the muscles you're about to use and getting blood flowing to your joints. Light mobility drills, dynamic movements, or easier versions of the exercises you're about to do are enough. Even for short workouts, experts recommend about 5 minutes of dynamic warm-up to reduce injury risk and improve performance. Another key is focusing on movements that give you the most return for your time. Exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, push, pull, legs, and core, are essential when time is limited. Compound movements create a stronger training stimulus and better overall results, especially in short sessions. They challenge your muscles, your coordination, and your cardiovascular system all at the same time. Rest also matters more than people think. When you only have 20 minutes, you don't have time for distractions. Rest just long enough to recover your strength, not your motivation. About 30 to 60 seconds between sets and up to 2 minutes between muscle groups keeps the workout intense without destroying your form or turning it into sloppy cardio. How you move is just as important as what you do. You don't need to rush your reps. In fact, slowing them down can be far more effective. Controlled movements keep your muscles under tension longer, which is one of the main drivers of muscle growth and joint stability. Even without weights, moving with control can create serious results. Now let's put all of this into action. Start with a short warm-up, about 3 to 5 minutes. Simple arm circles, hip openers or deep lunges, jumping jacks or high knees, wrist rolls combined with scapular push-ups, and a bit of light movement prep like incline push-ups or air squats. Nothing fancy, just enough to prepare your body for what's coming. The workout itself takes about 15 minutes, 4 movements, 3 rounds with 45 seconds of rest between exercises. No equipment is needed. Maybe a towel and a chair and that's it. Each movement has different difficulty levels, so you can adjust based on your current strength. If one level feels easy with clean form, move up. That's how progress happens. For pushing movements, start with push-ups. If you're a beginner, use a chair or bench for incline push-ups and focus on full range of motion. If that feels manageable, move to standard push-ups on the floor, aiming for 10 to 15 clean reps with your chest getting close to the ground. If you want more challenge, elevate your feet or slow the movement down, taking a few seconds on the way down to increase tension. For legs, begin with bodyweight squats followed by reverse lunges. Aim for 15 to 20 squats, and then 10 lunges per leg, keeping your chest up and your movement controlled. If you're more advanced, try pistol squats to a chair, moving slowly and under control for 6 to 8 reps per leg. Follow that with Bulgarian split squats using a couch or step for 8 to 12 reps per leg. This combination builds strength, balance, and real-world athletic ability. Pulling movements can be trained even without a pull-up bar. Loop a towel around a sturdy door handle, lean back slightly, and pull yourself in. Keep your elbows close and focus on squeezing your upper back. Do 10 to 12 slow, controlled reps. To make it harder, walk your feet closer to the door and add a 2-second hold at the top of each repeat to really engage your back muscles. Finish with your core. Start with a plank using a chair or wall if needed, holding for about 30 seconds while keeping your glutes tight and your core braced. As you progress, move to the floor and perform flutter kicks for 30 seconds, keeping your legs straight and your core engaged. Then move straight into a hollow body hold for 15 to 30 seconds. If your body starts shaking, that's a sign you're challenging the right muscles. And just like that, you're done. In 20 minutes, you've trained your entire body. You've challenged your strength, your endurance, and your discipline. And the truth is, you've already done more than most people ever will simply by starting. Try this workout 3 to 4 times a week for a couple of weeks, and you'll notice changes. Not just physically, but mentally. You'll feel more capable, more confident, and more in control of your routine. Because sometimes the biggest shift doesn't start in your body. It starts the moment you decide to commit. If you're ready to start, say it out loud. Drop "I'm starting now" in the comments, or write something that locks that decision in for you. That moment of commitment matters more than you think. And remember, 20 minutes is more than enough when you use it right.